first thing to do is get yourself a nice bunch of cilantro and finally chop it up. For ease of use, we're going to put all of our ingredients after we use them into a nice large bowl to mix it together. I'm using 1 lemon and 2 limes for this recipe, and I'll have a link in the description on specific amounts for each. Now salt and pepper to taste, as well as some cumin. I put all the juice from the lemon and the limes in the bowl. Now it's time for one of my favorite ingredients. That's gonna be garlic. I'm choosing to use my garlic press for this one this time instead of finally chopping it up or mincing it. And this is all personal preference. I can give specific amounts, but the amount I would give is what I specifically prefer. And I mean, you might not like garlic as much as I do. For jalapeno, make sure you remove the seeds as well as the stem if you don't like it too hot. For what I'm doing here, I could feel no additional heat on the recipe itself. All I could taste was the flavor. Add white vinegar and orange juice and some olive oil. Stir, mix, however you see fit. We have a 1.5 pound skirt steak. Put it in a plastic bag. And you want to put the mixture in for at least 4 hours so it can combine and marinate with the meat. Smash that all around, put it in the fridge.
Welcome everybody back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we did some amazing and delicious carne asada out on the big green egg. Not going to belabor the point. Any questions, please let us know. As we're going through this thing, we're gonna start. Now we're gonna off camera. We have tacos to put them in and like avocados and salsa and stuff too. But on camera, we're just gonna eat the steak, right, kiddo? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this one piece here, which looks pretty good if you ask me. No complaints. What? Okay. Not bad. This was a 1.6 pound skirt steak, so it'll be just enough for all of us. Nice. We have one more thing about this video we're going to do. We're going to push this meat just a little bit farther away. I'm going to have you go grab something else, okay? Can you grab something else? Can you go grab a beignet? You want to hold him?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. So this little guy, this is little Beignet. He's a golden retriever, born in October.
The first.
Yeah. He is a handful, but also very, very sweet at the same time. So his name is Beignet. He is a fun little dog. He keeps us active. Keeps me not awake at night because he actually sleeps pretty well on the kennel. So it's your dog, right, kiddo? I don't know, I don't know, for it being your dog, I'm sure out in the backyard a lot cleaning up stuff. So, welcome him to the family. When he gets a little older, he'll be a taste tester. We'll see. I think he is.
Squirmy.
He's a little squirmy, but that's what you expect for a puppy. So, anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Keep barbecuing America. And he smells the steak, of course. Cheers.